Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this particular video we are going to talk about OSINT framework or more of OSINT stuff. So if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, do hit like, share, all those regular drill that you know, right? So we are going to focusing on this particular website, that is OSINTframe.com. So I'm going to show you what exactly this OSINT and how does it work, and we'll probably go through some of the link to maybe understand it better about what are the different OSINT technique that we can basically use to perform various attack on or maybe collect various information about a particular organization. In fact, there are some of the guys who has already made some course on OSINT. Probably you must be knowing Cyber Mentor. He has basically made a course out of it, but yeah, the idea is not to basically teach you as a course, but enable you to learn further in this OSINT technique, because it is one of the methodology that I would definitely think like everybody should have this idea, or at least know this particular OSINT methodology really well, right? So let's just jump into it. So first of all, what is OSINT or open source intelligence? So OSINT is one of the methodology for collecting publicly available information and analyze on it and make some decision on the analyzed information. So to again in OSINT world, open source means publicly available. Right? There is nothing to get confused. So OSINT is basically, again as I said, the methodology for extracting publicly available information to make some analyze on it and reach at a conclusive decision. Now the decision sometimes is like your target goal, or sometimes is also like you want to gather some information basically to target someone. So this is one of the really best website that I believe a lot of people might have made a video, but yeah, I wanted to give my knowledge or share my idea on this particular website. So if you come to this website oceanframe.com, these are the different subheading that you could see, and each of them are going to expand the moment you click on it, right? So there are a lot of such websites available. Again, I'm not saying this is the only website, but what I'm trying to say is like this is the only single website where you get a multiple sublink or maybe links to links which will help you getting to your reaching to your desired result. Now let's take one of the simple example. So here we have username field, right, or maybe username parameter. So here you could see that there are some of the website which basically search for username. So one of them is, let's say, NoEM, and or maybe even name checker. So using this website you can basically, or yeah, name checkup, you can basically extract a particular username or see that particular username and find out in which all platform that particular user represent. So let me quickly show you. Let's say I'm going to say Elon Musk, right? Okay, I believe I had tried search earlier. So if you search for Elon Musk, then you can see that he is available in Flickr, he is available in Twitch, he is available in Vimeo, and some other platform as well. Facebook, Instagram, of course. So similarly, you can also, again, I'm not saying that this is the only website where you get to see all those information. You can also try checking this namechecker.com, where also you will get to see that yeah, that particular user is also available in Cash App, Flickr, Foursquare, or even Deviant. Yeah, so Foursquare. Yeah, these are some of the social media platform where the particular same user is available even in Meetup, right? So this is how you can utilize to fetch more and more information about a particular person. Again, you could use the same Elon Musk and gather as many links as you can about a particular person so that you can target it later. Again, do not misuse the content. I'm trying to say is for educational purpose. It is not to basically target Elon Musk or somebody, right? So it's just to gather information and show you how the OSINT methodology work. So you can also check for Upwork and even Shopify and all those different other platforms where the particular user exists. Now going back again in OSINT framework, you could see that email address is also another field where you can basically search email, perform an email search. So let's say I'm taking one of the example of hunter.io, and let's see if we can try to find some of the email address from a particular organization. So again, I'm going to say, let's say Tesla. Okay, so in Tesla you could see that there are multiple user email address is been leaked. So let's say I'm going to find out one of them. Okay, so here you could see that we were actually showing one user, but here you could see that there are multiple other user also. So you can basically take their email address and maybe perform various attack on it, like phishing and all those things. So I am not going to talk about that now. Taking the same email address, you can basically check for breach data. So this is one of the website like Have I Been Pwned, where you can basically check for if the particular user account has been compromised in past or some time. So let's go ahead and search it. So you could see that Tesla user P Hempel or something, yeah, he or she has some account in Adopt as well as Apollo.com, which got compromised in past, and his credential got leaked. Right, so that's the way. This is one of the simple demonstration, by the way, to tell you about how this OSINT methodology work and how we can basically utilize or leverage OSINT method to find out deep down information. Similarly, you can also look for this video search or image search, where you can probably, if you're looking for your girlfriend or boyfriend, then you can basically use this particular tool to find out that details. Even there are some website for Arthcam, Insecam. Okay, I'm not going to say some other webcam based kind of tool because you guys already know. So not yeah. So based on IP address also, you can basically search for a particular organization details. In fact, there are websites like Shodan and Synesys which are really very popular, and Zoom I also recently getting very popular. So you can browse through all those different link. These days, digital currency is on like full mode today due to some Bitcoin crash or thing. So you can basically enumerate some more information about where to invest your money or something like that by going through this link as well, right? So Ethereum, Etherscan. So there are a lot of different things to learn from everyone to from this Ocean framework, and I would definitely suggest you to go ahead and browse them, trial learning as much as you can, and hopefully this video would have helped you to understand this Ocean method. And see you soon with another video. Do it, like, share. Also let me in the comment box whether you find this particular video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.